You know the drill. Constantly hunting for outlets, side-eyeing that 20% warning, and praying my iPhone survives a 10-minute TikTok scroll. Tip 1. Remove unnecessary widgets. Widgets are cool, but they're secretly draining your battery, especially third-party ones. So here's the fix. Just long press on a widget, tap, remove widget, and boom. More battery life instantly. Tip 2. Enable dark mode. If your iPhone has an OLED screen, dark mode isn't just a vibe. It actually saves battery by turning off pixels. Just hop into Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and switch on dark mode. Want a shortcut? Swipe down the control center and toggle it on instantly. Easy, right? And your iPhone looks way cooler. Tip 3. Check your battery health. Your iPhone's battery isn't immortal, but you can slow down its aging. Think of it like skincare. Smart habits mean a longer life. Just go to Settings, tap Battery, then Battery Health. While you're here, enable Optimized Battery Charging. This helps prevent your phone from overcharging overnight. If your iPhone supports it, setting a charge limit to 80% can also keep your battery strong for years. Tip 4. Use low power mode. Low power mode is a lifesaver, but don't use it 24/7. It slows down your phone and kills smooth animations. Instead, turn it on only when you really need it. Just go to Settings, tap Battery, and switch on low power mode. Or even easier, just ask Siri. Tip 5. Optimize location services. Some apps are low-key spying on you and draining your battery. Time to cut them off. Head to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Change unnecessary apps to while using the app, and turn off precise location for apps that don't need it. More battery, more privacy. Win-win. Tip 6. Use Wi-Fi over cellular. 5G is super fast, but it's a battery hog. Here's how to optimize it. Go to Settings, tap Cellular, then Data Options. Set it to 5G Auto instead of 5G On. And if you don't need max speeds all the time, switch to standard data mode to save even more battery. Tip 7. Adjust email. Fetch settings. Your iPhone might be constantly checking for new emails in the background. Huge battery killer. Instead, take control. Head to Settings, tap Mail, then Accounts, and open Fetch New Data. Change it from push to manual or hourly so it's not constantly draining power. Tip 8. Disable haptic keyboard feedback. That tiny vibration when you type? Feels nice, right? But it's secretly sipping on your battery. To turn it off, go to Settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, then Keyboard Feedback, and switch haptic off. Your thumbs might miss it, but your battery won't. Tip 9. Limit background app activity. Background apps keep running even when you're not using them. Sneaky, right? Time to shut them down. Just head to Settings, tap General, then Background App Refresh. Turn it off for apps that don't need constant updates. Instant battery boost. Tip 10. Manage your lock screen. Since your screen is your battery's biggest enemy, you should also manage when it turns off automatically. To do this, go to Settings, Display and Brightness and Auto Lock, and choose a shorter time, like 30 seconds or 1 minute. The quicker your screen goes to sleep, the less battery it uses. And those widgets on your lock screen? They're major battery hogs. Keep it simple with just plain wallpaper. Also, if you've got an iPhone Pro or Pro Max, you should turn off Always On Display. Go to Settings and Display and Brightness and toggle it off to save even more juice. Tip 11. Cut down on notifications. Those constant pings are waking up your phone and draining the battery. You can take control with Focus Mode. Just go to Settings and Focus and customize when notifications should come through. You can even swipe left on an alert and tap Options to either turn off future notifications for that app or set them to deliver quietly. This way, they'll still be there, but without lighting up your screen or buzzing your phone. Tip 12. Turn off Siri listening. If you don't use Siri much, turning off Hey Siri can save some battery. To do this, go to Settings and tap Siri and disable Listen for Hey Siri. This means Siri won't constantly listen for your voice, saving battery. Don't worry, you can still use Siri by pressing the side button if you need it. Tip 13. Turn off unnecessary features. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and AirDrop can drain your battery if they're left on all the time. So, swipe down the control center and turn them off when you're not using them. If you're not near a Wi-Fi network, just turn it off to save battery. Same goes for Bluetooth and AirDrop. Only turn them on when you need them. Tip 14. Keep your software updated. Apple frequently updates iOS to improve battery life. To check for updates, go to Settings, General and Software Update, and make sure your iPhone is running the latest version. Keeping your phone updated ensures you're getting all the latest performance and battery optimizations from Apple. Tip 15. Bonus security tip. Okay, this one isn't a battery tip, but it's super important. Public Wi-Fi is a hacker's dream. Without a VPN, your data is exposed. So if you're connecting to an unsecured network, use a VPN. A few taps now can save you from a major headache later. And there you have it. 10 simple settings to boost your iPhone's battery life. If this helped, drop a comment and hit subscribe for more tech tips.